Our quality LED signs are super bright and made to last. Not to be confused with cheaper models, our flashing signs come with a warranty of 1 year. Unsurpassed reliability and also designed with a dust cover to protect the LED's life. We have 3 main settings. 1. Stationary. 2. Slight animation. 3. Full program animation. A full program has approximately 3 to 4 animated sequences which could last up to 1 minute each. This allows variability to our signs, so increase awareness of your potential clients. Thank you. Goodbye.